I was supposed to create these yapping videos every week, but I think the last one that I did was 3 or 4 weeks back. That's because life happened, and there was a lot that was going on, a lot of client work. Then my health, I had a fever, and you can still, I think, understand from my voice, it's not completely healed. Then there was wedding, a lot of family stuff to attend. So all of those, stopped me from creating video, but I'm back, and I want to give you updates about a lot of things because a lot of things have changed from the last time. So let's start with the business or the social media marketing part. In my last yapping video, I had told you that there was this project that I was struggling with where the client was really not involved and we were not able to communicate. So that project, I mean, I kind of lost it, and I'm so happy about it. This is really crazy that losing projects can also make you happy. But honestly, there was no other work around, so it's good that the project ended. Then there was another project that ended, which was a little shocking. Not that I did not um, like, I think my intuition is good for a lot of things, so I kind of felt that this might happen. I just didn't know that it will happen so soon. So there is this client for whom I'm handling LinkedIn and Instagram both are doing really well. For Instagram, we had crossed 10,000 followers for this client. It is one of my best Instagram projects in my portfolio. But then the client did not have clarity on what she wants to do next with her Instagram, which is why we stopped. But it's okay. That is how it works. Like by now, it's been 5 years that I'm freelancing, and by now I know that anything can happen, and I'm kind of prepared. When initially I had started freelancing, I would cry when I would lose projects. Even if I knew that this is gonna happen, I would still cry. But now I'm used to it. I know this is what happens. Even projects that are doing really well, they also can end anytime. So you have to be prepared that way, especially mentally. So yeah, I'm fine with that. Last month I started working on a new project, so I'm doing the LinkedIn part of it. Next month in April, I'm also going to do Instagram along with LinkedIn. And all the other projects that I was working on, those are going well. So that is the update for social media marketing. Also, I had another lead in the pipeline for both Instagram and LinkedIn. I was going to onboard that project, but I could not because I fell sick. And now I don't think I want to, because I don't think I'll have the bandwidth. If I take up that project again, it will burn me out. So I'm not going ahead with that. Coming to Medium. So I just created a video. The topic is Medium worth it in 2026? If that is a question that has been going on in your mind, I would like you to go and watch that video. I don't know which video will come first, but I hope that video will give you some kind of clarity. As for what I'm doing, I am trying to write on Medium once a week, if not more. I don't want it to be less, but then again, it's not a priority. Okay, because right now my priority is my own social media. Yes, client work is obviously priority, but when I fell sick, I realized this, that not working on my own social media accounts really make me feel very bad. Then I feel nothing is worth it. No client work feels exciting. But when I am also working on my own social media along with client work, that is when I feel satisfied, I feel happy. So I realized I cannot neglect my own social media. So I am prioritizing my Instagram, my LinkedIn, YouTube, and Medium is not in my priority list. I just have it in mind. Whenever I have that urge that I have a really good topic and I want to write about it, I will write. So I'm not putting any pressure on me in that way. Okay, that's that. And so these are all work related stuff. If I talk about like get into the business related stuff even more, then I'm trying to systemize my business. It is something that I've struggled with forever. It's been 5 years that I'm freelancing, and still I've not been able to, create proper systems around anything. But I'm trying. It's on my mind. I'm trying to do it. Also, the finance side of things need to be taken care of. Like, we need to communicate with a good CA. I need to figure out about the GST stuff if we need to register a company. So there's a lot that I need to figure out. If I do, I will share it with you, obviously, because I know a lot of people will have a lot of questions around it. So I'd love to figure out everything and then share all of those things with you. So this is all business work stuff. Other than that, if you talk about life, then I think I need to work on my fitness, because again, that is something I wanted to prioritize starting 2026, but I've not been able to really do that. Um, so that is again something I need to do. Maybe create a routine for myself where I work out every day at home or join the gym. Let's see. As for my food or eating habits, I think that is well taken care of. I might, if I join the gym or anything, if I start working out, I might want to talk to a nutritionist, or find out something that works for me, like healthy options and stuff like that. So that is again something that's on my mind. As for my hobbies, I have read two books recently. Both were thrillers, and um, one wasn't that good. Uh, it was Chetan Bhagat's 400 Days, and I was really skeptical about whether I should read it or not, but I did because I knew it would be easy to read. The story wasn't really that good, um, but it's okay. I finished it. There were a lot of unnecessary stuff I felt in the story, so I didn't really enjoy it as much. But then I read another book, The Coworker by Freda McFadden, if I'm not wrong. I love her stories. Like, I've read, I think by now I've read 4 or 5 books written by her. She has become so popular and totally worth it. I love everything that she writes, but sometimes the themes of the stories leave me feeling very negative, because these are all thrillers. So, a lot of murders, negativity, psychology, this that. But the co-worker story, I felt that the theme was fine. It didn't leave me with any negativity. So yeah, I really enjoyed that. And yeah, as long as I think I am balancing everything, for example, work, my hobbies, my health, my downtime, whenever everything is balanced, I feel really good, really happy. But whenever anything is not, uh, in the right ratio, that is when I start feeling bad. And in the last yapping video, I couldn't even complete everything that I wanted to tell you because the storage was full. That is a problem I think a lot of social media managers have, because our storage is always full, not just because we are creating content, because we are creating content for our clients. And if there's anything that you want me to create video on, or that you want me to answer, do let me know in the comments. Do let me know how you are feeling about these yapping videos. If you did not watch my previous yapping video, I'll link it here. Go and watch it, and I'll see you in the next yapping video. Bye.